Actually, they really hurt after this one. I don't like it.
Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your lips look bigger. So I have two ways. One is with just makeup, and the second one is going to be with these things plus makeup. So please make sure that you subscribe and like this video, and let's get to it. The first thing that I do is I use a toothbrush and I just brush my lips to get like the dead skin off. Just gonna like rub everywhere to kind of like get the blood flow. This is my toothbrush for braces. But yeah, once you're done doing this, then just moisturize your lips. What I use is squalene, pure squalene. Just do a little drop. Alright, so after that, what I like to do is use a little makeup to cover like the lines and make your, so you can pretty much make your own lines. So just put a little bit. What I use is Maybelline, but I mean whatever fits your skin, whatever you like the best. So it's gonna look like I have no lips. Whoa. All right, bye bye lips. Magic. For my lip makeup, all I use is products from ColourPop. I'll put the link down below, and also like what products I get. So I have these two lip pencils. I'll give you the names down below. And then I have these two thingies. Lip gloss, lipstick. Jeez. So this one's Cami. It's like more natural, and this one's a little darker. It's Byron Babe. So what I like to do is take the darker lip pencil and make my own line. And do a little blend in, of course, with my finger. Same thing for the top lip. And notice that I don't go all the way to the end. They're already looking bigger. And then I like my little crease in the middle on the bottom lip. So just do a little shading. Add a little more color to the outside. Again, blend that. That actually looks good, even without putting anything else on. But what I also do, I use this one, the Cami, and go to the inside. Then just kind of blend it to the corners so it doesn't look like you just stop there. And one more thing that I do is a highlighter from Anastasia. I love that thing. It's beautiful. So what I do with that, so I thought I was recording when I did this, but you just do a little dab of a highlighter and put it like over here for a little dimension. So I like to dab it on the cupid's bow. And then that's it. So what do you guys think? Okay, so now it's time to remove the hard work that I just did. And we're gonna try this one and this one. So let's try this one. This one is called Full Lips, and it comes in And this one is my favorite actually. It's like the small one, so you can fit it like this or like however you want it. They have bigger ones also. They have like the round ones, but this one's my... Okay, squawky. This one's my favorite. I will also put link down below for this, where I got this from. So basically you just put your lips on it, you suck the air in, and hold it. Whoa. So no worries, they're not gonna stay like this. But they, on their website it says you're supposed to repeat it until until you reach the desired look. So I think I'll do one more time. Yeah. And then the same way with the makeup. Holy crap, they're like half of my face now. They're huge! Shit! Maybe I'll apply the... Yeah, maybe I'll apply the Byron Babe, the darker one. And then again, just smudge it around. There. Oh, how could I forget? Oh my goodness. A little bit of this. And that's it. What do you guys think? Alrighty, so one more, which is this one. Why do I keep dropping everything? Which is candy lips. They have different styles also. I like this one with the little separator here. So let me take this off and we can give these lips a little time to go down, and then I will be back. Alright, I'm back now. My lips went down. So we're gonna be using the candy lips. They come with this little plastic thingy that you put on so it doesn't bruise them or doesn't hurt them as much. But whenever I use this thing, it does bruise my lips. Like over here, I know one time actually I used it and I looked like I had mustache. So that's why I don't like this one. Plus it's bigger. Like the little one, the where is it? This thing, you can just bring it wherever you want with you and you can do it whenever. This one, you know, not so much, because I mean, look at this thing. Look. Yeah. Oh, actually they really hurt after this one. Oh, I don't like it. And I look like a duck. I look like lip injections gone wrong. Oh my god. But oh well, it will be gone, no worries. So let's just do the natural one, the Cami. So I'm gonna do the outline. And it's gonna dab. And they feel so like fucking puffy. Well, I promised you big lips, so there you go. Alright, so here you go. I don't like the shape. I don't know. The size may be okay, but it goes too like out. I look like a duck. I'm an animal. On that note, this is it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments like what you thought you liked the best, or if you need any help with anything. But I'm guessing tomorrow I'm gonna pay the price for this. I'll probably have a nice blue mustache. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what other videos you might want me to do. So this was fun. See ya.